How to dropship on Amazon from Aliexpress. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's guide, we will be teaching you how to dropship on Amazon from Aliexpress. Dropshipping is a popular business model that allows you to sell products online without having to hold inventory or handle shipping. Aliexpress, an online marketplace, offers a wide range of products at a competitive price, making it a popular choice for dropshipping entrepreneurs. Amazon, on the other hand, is a leading e-commerce platform with a massive customer base, offering great opportunities for sales and growth. Dropshipping from AliExpress to Amazon comes with its challenges, but with the right strategies and tools, you can build a successful, profitable business. In today's video, we will share some valuable tips and best practices to help you navigate the process and maximize your chance of success. So, whether you're new to dropshipping or already have some experience, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and insights that will help you start dropshipping on Amazon from AliExpress. So let's get started. Now, as you already know, there is no direct way to connect AliExpress and Amazon together. So therefore, you wouldn't be able to officially or directly start a dropshipping business with AliExpress on Amazon. But in today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to pull off this trick, wherein you will be able to use AliExpress on your Amazon, which is very similar to dropshipping. Not direct dropshipping, not official dropshipping, but you will be able to do something very similar. So let's get started. Now, how our trick will work is that, as you can see here, I have made a very simple diagram which shows you how our plan would work. So basically, this is our customer over here, the girl with the bag. This is our customer. They will be buying from our Amazon store, wherein we will be able to earn their address information, their contact information, wherein we will be ordering on AliExpress, and then AliExpress will deliver it directly to the customer. That is how our plan for today's video would work. Basically, what we're going to do first is we're going to set up our store. We're going to post our products on Amazon, and then when customers see our product wherein they buy from Amazon, we will then start ordering from AliExpress to be delivered directly to the customer. Therefore, we wouldn't need to care about inventory or any of those things. All you need to do is to simply order whatever your customer ordered once again to AliExpress, and that will serve as a dropshipping model that would allow you to use AliExpress and Amazon together. So that is our plan. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to AliExpress. Over here right now, I'm currently on our AliExpress. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for a product that we would like to download or that we would like to sell in our Amazon over here. So we're simply going to look for a product. Now, what I suggest when you're looking for a product, look for something that people are usually buying a lot. So as you can see here, there are a lot of people buying this RGB Bluetooth LED over here. You could use this and sell this on your Amazon, or you could also explore Amazon and look through the different things or through the different trends that are in Amazon right now, and then look for the product in AliExpress. So let's give it a try. For example, we would like to look for fitness materials. So we're going to click on fitness on Amazon, and we're going to fix our customer reviews. We're going to go with 5 stars and up, and let's see which product or which item has the most product sold and like the most rating. So for example, we have this ab machine over here. So basically, the product is ab machine. So we're going to go to AliExpress, and we're going to search ab machine, click on enter, and let's see if we will be able to find similar products to this product over here. Now, you can see the difference between the pricing. For Amazon, this product is $69 over here. So we're going to check out our product over here. As you can see, we have different products over here. Although not very similar, we could see some similarities over here. For example, this one over here. Now we could look for more products. You get the idea. You're going to look for popular products in Amazon, search them on AliExpress. So for example, we're going to go with this one over here. We're going to open this. And now what you're going to do is you're first going to set up your Amazon store in Amazon. You're simply going to set it up. Then you're going to add like your products. So when you're going to add your products now, you're going to go to AliExpress over here. Then you're going to copy the title in this section, copy it entirely, paste it on your Amazon product page, and then do the same thing for the images, each and every images that you are seeing right now. And you're also going to copy the description over here, like under this description, going to copy all of this information, and then you're going to paste it on your Amazon over here, so that you will be able to have the same description and the same information. You could also check out the specifications over here, and you could download them, or you could copy them as well. Now, what do you do, or how do you download the photos? Because when you try to download it right off the AliExpress, you won't be able to download the specific photos. As you can see here, you wouldn't be able to download them as a PNG or a JPEG. So what you're going to do is you're going to download extension that you will be able to use to download images out of AliExpress. So the extension is called AliSave, which is an extension that you will be able to download and install into your browser. And as you can see, this is what it will show you. You will be able to download the main image, the variant, or download all of them over here. Or you could also download them from all images and videos over here, the description images and feedback images over here, which would be very useful when you add them to your Amazon over here. Now, like what I said earlier, this is how our scheme would work, where if the person ordered from our Amazon, let's assume this is our Amazon store and people ordered out of this, and when they click on buy now or add to cart, and then when they proceed to check out the product, you will be able to receive their address and like contact information. Now, going back here, you're going to go back to AliExpress. You're simply going to click on buy now again over here on AliExpress this time, and you're going to order with the information that the customer has given to you through Amazon over here. You're simply going to enter their address, their contact number, and like all of those information that you need to send a product to the customer. And basically, you will transfer the order from your Amazon store to your AliExpress over here, and you will be able to sell directly, or you will be able to have a drop shipping model wherein you will be able to sell without having to keep inventory by using this scheme that we have over here. And you can simply do that with all or any product that you would like. You could go and add as many products as you want, although it takes a lot of work and like a lot of hassle compared to other drop shipping platforms out there and drop shipping interactions. AliExpress and Amazon is more on a manual work, and you would have to take your time and like give some effort to be able to successfully make an AliExpress and Amazon drop shipping business. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. You could do whatever you would like. You could upload or sell any product that you would like. And hope this video was helpful. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.